How to set up payments on Shopify, easy walkthrough. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you're trying to set up payments on Shopify, you need to just follow along step by step. The first thing you need to decide is what type of payment processor you're going to be using. Some stores already have an established connection with certain payment processors, and you might want to opt for those instead. For most people that are setting up an online business and they're getting started with Shopify, they might consider using Shopify payments. So to get started with using payments on Shopify and, enabling a payment processor, whether that's Shopify payments, Stripe, PayPal, or a manual payment method, you're going to log on and then click on settings on your bottom left. Once you do that, you're going to click on payments on the left. Once you click on payments, you will have this box where it asks you if you want to activate Shopify payments. So personally, I really do prefer Shopify payments because if I don't have any connection with any other payment processor, it becomes very easy to accept payments and have an easy checkout system using Shopify payments. However, if you're not going to proceed with activation on Shopify payments, so if you click on activate payments, you can just follow along step by step and then proceed with entering your business information. However, if you want to add some other payment method, simply scroll down and then click on add payment method. Then click on search by provider. You can search a specific provider, or you can even search for a specific type of payment method that you want to enable. So I want to, let's say, be using Paystack as my payment processor. So I can just click on Paystack and then click on over here and then install the integration, and then I will be able to accept payments using Paystack. And by default, they have additional payment methods, which includes PayPal. And then if you scroll to the bottom, you will see manual payment methods. So you can click on the plus icon over here. This gives you a drop down of the different payment methods such as bank deposits, money orders, and cash on delivery. So if you do offer these types of manual payment methods, you can add those as well. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you want to get started with Shopify, make sure to click on the link provided in the description box down below to get a free trial on Shopify.